Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image into a shape in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in my Microsoft Word, and first of all I'm going to insert pictures. I'm going to go to the insert menu and then select pictures, and I'm going to select my device. Then I'm going to select a picture from this device, for example this one, and I'm going to crop it into a shape. If you want to crop it, we can go to the crop menu right here, and then you can select the crop to shape and choose the shape that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this triangle. Okay, and this is the result. Basically, you just need to go to the crop menu, crop to shape, and choose the shape you want to apply to your picture. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to crop a picture into a shape in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.